Hello everyone, this is Jim Okersinski with your Week 7 Screencast video. As I say here, we're almost to the midpoint of the semester. It's time to focus on the drafting process for Essay 2. Now, just like in Unit 1, it's time to review the two examples of the summary essay from the textbook. So I want to warn, and I should say caution everybody to write the activities here, the discussion board, on the correct summary example. So there are two of them: the truth of the trades, beginning on page 60, and intelligence versus cultural bias on page 64. So if you head over to the textbook, here is truth of the trades on 60. And I believe the student, here we go, intelligence and cultural bias on page 64. All right. So the activities for the week is our initial post is due Tuesday. Just one discussion board post this week. Take a check. I'll have a lecture video like about Wednesday, Thursday as usual. And the responses I'll be due on Friday. So let's run over to the discussion board. Take a look at discussion board number 9. I'll start moving some discussion boards around, and running those older ones down to the bottom of the discussion board section. So I ask here, pick one of the examples and perform a mini rhetorical analysis, keeping the following in mind. So you want to look at how the writer opened the essay. Was it effective, and how and why? Right. So don't I want to know why it was effective. We'll talk later in the week in the this lecture video about the possible ways to organize the summary essay. So look at how they open that essay. Did the writer focus on the main characters who support Rose's argument, which is really the object of discussion board, number 8? How did that particular student writer choose to provide coverage of Rose's support? Basically, Rosie and Uncle Joe and the other blue collar jobs. Was the writer able to provide significant coverage in writing the summary? Did the writer happen to have a good comprehensive summary, cover the important aspects of the cognitive processes for Uncle Joe and Rosie and the other blue collar jobs that Rose talked about in his article, right? And then, more importantly, then take a look at how the writer closed the essay. Was it effective? How and why? So, to help you with this post, remember I'm looking for 250 to 300 words. Some of the posts lately are getting a little thin, and I'm going to start assessing these accordingly. You have to respond to two of your classmates. So, if we get to the textbook, take a look at the section. Oh, wrong one. Let's see. That's chapter 2, chapter 3. Here we go. How and why to write a summary. You want to make yourself familiar with this. This will be a subject of the lecture video going into this week, Thursday. All right. Also, you're going to want to take a kind of a brief look at the summary essay, organizational outline. So you'll find that our student examples might follow this particular pattern here for the organizational outline, right? So that is our activity for week number 7. Remember, organizational outline, that is on page 37. Look at how to go about writing the summary here in the chapter 3, how to write a summary section here, right? So you want to take care of that and review that, give you a little background for that discussion board post, right? So you have all the activities here for the week. Let me get back to my announcement here. Here we go. All right, so once again, initial post on Tuesday. Sunday are your responses, and if you have any questions, send me an email. Good luck, stay safe.